What's going on, guys? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Puma Uproar in the All-Star Game Fade or Charlotte Basketball colorway. These released a few weeks ago for the NBA All-Star Weekend for a retail price of $130 US or $170 here in Canada. These guys mark the second silhouette to come out from Puma Basketball following their relaunch, and compared to the Clyde Courts, these ones fit and feel much more like a traditional basketball shoe. So first off, before we go on any further, I just want to give a huge thank you to Puma Canada for sending me over this pair. If you're in Canada and you're looking for a pair of these should be available at your local Foot Locker or Champs store. So jumping straight back into the shoe, as you guys can see, this left foot is different from the right foot. So the reason for this is because it's basically paying homage to Charlotte's basketball history with the Charlotte Hornets and the Charlotte Bobcats. So taking a deeper dive into the shoe, specifically the toe box, you'll see that the base layer of this sneaker is constructed using this mesh material. You'll see how it has this gradient effect, so on the right foot it goes from black to teal, and then on the left foot it goes from navy blue to teal. Overlaid on top of the mesh, we have a bunch of synthetic leather. So on the lateral side of the right foot, we have this black leather, and then on the medial side we have teal. And then on the left foot we have navy blue leather on the lateral side, and then teal once again on the medial side. The laces are held into place using these nylon straps, and then the top two eyelets will kind of weave through this buckle-like contraption. The tongue on these shoes is constructed using that same mesh that was found on the toe box, and it's an actual separate tongue, not like a one-piece booty construction that a lot of modern-day sneakers are done in. Running up the center of the tongue, we have this nylon strip, so it's purple on the right foot and orange on the left foot, and we have the Puma logo found at the very top. On top of the tongue, we have your oval-shaped laces, so they're black on the right foot and navy blue on the left foot. As we move towards the back end of the shoe, you'll see there's this large TPU wing that actually adds a lot of support and structure towards the back half of the shoe. On the right foot, this is done in purple, and on the left foot, it's orange. And then hanging off the center, we have this heel pull tab done in those same respective colors. As I pull out the insole, so we have a decently padded black insole with the Puma basketball branding on the heel in white. So the upper of these Puma Uproars sits atop this full-length hybrid midsole. So hybrid, which is a combination of Puma Ignite foam and Puma Energy beads, gives you that good balance between having a supportive and responsive feel, but giving you that plushness of the energy beads that you would need for impact protection. So the midsole itself is also done in a gradient-like fashion, so on the right foot it fades from purple to white, and then on the left foot it goes from orange to white. And then right on the back heel you can actually see the energy beads in this back section right here. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So this traction pattern is very aggressive. We have these multi-directional lines, and this is done in this dual tone rubber. So in terms of sizing, these guys do fit a little bit snug. So my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Puma Canada sent me these in a size 10. So if I was to wear these casually with like thinner socks, which is what I did, these would fit me perfectly. But if I was to actually play ball in them, which I didn't, when I do play ball, I usually wear thicker socks. So when I tried these guys on with thicker performance socks, they were quite snug. So if you guys wear thinner socks, or if you want a really snug fit, then true to size should work. But if you want a little extra room around the toe box, then I would recommend going up a half size. My best bet, go to your local Foot Locker or Champs store and try on a pair for yourself. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so as I mentioned before, I didn't play ball in these, but I did wear them casually, and I did wear these to the gym. With that said though, the cushioning setup was pretty firm, and probably because I didn't wear them long enough, but I suspect there is some break-in time required for these guys, and I'd imagine with added wear, the cushioning will soften up over time. However, straight out of the box, it was pretty stiff, so if that's the type of cushioning that you prefer, then you'll like these guys, but if you're looking for more of a softer ride, then you might be disappointed. These also aren't the lightest shoe on the market, and they kind of have that throwback 90s vibe to them, which could be good or bad depending on your personal preferences. So let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these Puma Uproars look on feet. Overall, I'm digging the direction that Puma basketball is going in. They have the Puma Clydes, which is a bit more of a modern day feeling shoe. And then they have these Uproars, which is more of a true throwback to the 90s. Surprisingly, I'm kind of feeling this mismatching look as well, and it's a good nod to the city of Charlotte and its 2 NBA franchises. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Puma Uproars, and if you guys plan on copying a pair for yourselves. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before we sign off, one final thank you goes out to Puma Canada. Thank you guys for showing love, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.